see the Raptor jersey or the Jays come out, you know we mean business. Here behind me, Akins Ford F-450 Limited Stormtrooper Reserve Edition. Let's go. So I'm rocking the Jordan 12s today. I had these when I was a kid. These are a throwback, first time ever wearing them. Perfect for the Stormtrooper F-450. And this one's for Charlie and Liz McDonald of McDonald Construction Services in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. They're repeat customers of ours. Even though they're way down in Florida, they're very loyal to us and letting us take care of their vehicle needs every single time. And what a specimen we have built for them this time. This truck is complete inside and out with all the details that you would expect from us here at Wild Willies. The Star White sets the stage for something special. You can see all that metallic flake in it just glistening in the sunlight today. Incredible in combination with the gate black accents all the way throughout. I call it Stormtrooper, but it's whatever you want to call it. Panda, the yin and the yang, whatever. It's just perfect to me with a great contrast between white and black. Gives you the ability to do some great things with wheel and tire combos and a great looking 24-inch American Force dually with adapter wheels. I'm going to show you the Kelderman. Oh, watch out for the, y'all, the spikes will take your leg straight off. Watch out for those front spikes. Nasty. Just playing, y'all. Love this system overall. The gloss black and milled, perfect, as I mentioned, on the Star White and black contrasting. Side bed step, you can notate Star White, kept the step as is. Down the side, door handles, Star White. Mirrors to perfection. All that texture was removed. Star White, light smoke on the side there. F-450 side badge, money setup, a gate black, Star White, contrast, 6.7 taken care of. To go along with it, Baja Designs, XL80s on the top. So much light output. I really love that. And right here we go. Kelderman 5 to 6 inch air ride, front and rear, Raptor shocks, new radius arms, ride height sensors, everything works. Money set up. Collie torsion sway bar with end links to alleviate any scrubbing up front, plus just overall better ride quality and experience in any condition. This 2023 is such a diamond. Look at that Kelderman bumper. So substantial but clean overall. Nice gate black accents. Didn't do it all white. Wanted a nice balance. One winch hiding out very nicely right there. Monster hooks. Look at all the black detail. Midnight E-Series lights on the side. Dual stack. Perfect. Painted inside the headlights. A gate black and Star White on the perimeter. A gate black on the grille. Strobe lights. A perfect combo on the Ford emblem. Every detail was taken care of, including a custom powder coated DPF back, stock exhaust, looking amazing, shining. And we got Wild Willies rock lights galore all the way around this truck to light up the night. Gonna look incredible under that Florida moon. And Kelderman bumper, this is probably my favorite. I'm a big rear end guy, of course. How substantial. Oh my gosh. And faux 50, y'all. You know what's up. Look at those big Nathan air chimes, horns, ready to let it loose. Again, Kelderman bumper out back, painted very nicely with accented in a gate black. And that limited applique, so legit. Mild to wild scale with our dually with adapter, we're sticking out a good 5.5, 6 inches. It's a great balance and stance for a truck this high. Gotta have a Pace Airways power bed locker bed cover, the Raptor dual steering stabilizer, Carly torsion sway bar, and Mag High-Tech diff covers for the added detail. Now let's jump on the inside. Look how hot it is today. Oh my gosh, it's a scorcher. We have our horn blaster train horn application showing you what the air pressure is, camera system, auxiliary switches, as well as the aftermarket system to give us all the access that we need, and our airlift module to get our Kelderman dialed in just right. I love our interior LED accent package. That makes a huge difference. MTI acoustics box in the rear looks incredible, all matched up with great bass and sound. F-450 Limited with the pillow top, Admiral Blue, with the contrasting gray and suede Alcantara headliner. Money set up. My favorite interior. You can summarize this best in loyalty. The McDonald family is super loyal to us. They allow us to take care of their vehicle needs on the custom side and OE side, have been for many, many years, and that means everything to us, and we promise to step our game up and deliver a better experience every single time, show our appreciation for that truck. Congratulations, long time coming. I can't wait to hear how much attention this truck's getting down in Florida and the enjoyment that it gives your family. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button if this is your first time checking our stuff out, because we're dropping diamonds like this on the daily. Peace out.